What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great week. You're watching this video because you are probably about to do a shop on Shein and you want to find the best Shein promo codes for 2023. Well, congratulations, you have found the perfect video, because I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial how you can unlock your very own personal Shein promo codes, and they can potentially save you hundreds of dollars or the equivalent of $100 in your local currency. There's a few codes to choose from, and there is even a really special $750 code that there are still available for you to grab. So keep watching this video, guys, and I'm going to be showing you how you can go and get yours. Before I start, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. This is a super highly requested video, so I thought, hey, why don't I make it for you today? So you need to grab your phone. As you can see in the background, you can do it on your desktop or laptop if you wish, but I actually recommend you do it on your phone. And you need to go to this website, guys, www.hotshotcodes.com. You can go directly to the website, or whatever you find easiest. You can even go to Google and just type in hotshot codes, all one word like that, hotshot codes, search it, and hotshot codes #1 coupon site. So that's what you're looking for. Just tap it to open it up. Let me just close down one of these tabs here. So yeah, when you reach the website, guys, all you have to do here, the search function actually doesn't work at the top for whatever reason. So you just have to manually scroll down until you find the Shein page, and that will be visible by the Shein logo here. So Shein promo coupon codes, save big on your next order, and it's been used loads of times today. So let's open it up and scroll down to see the available codes. These vary depending on how many there are left, so it may vary to what you see in this video depending if there's codes available. So you can see there is a $100 off your next order at Shein coupon code. There is a 50% off your next order at Shein coupon code, and there is also, this is a new one that's been added, a $750 gift card code for Shein. So all you have to do, guys, is choose which one you want. In this video, I'm not going to do this one because I'm going to save this for anyone who wants it. So I'm just going to do this $100 off example, but each one, it's the same process. So you just choose which one you want and follow the steps that I'm going to be showing you. So once you press show coupon code, you're going to see this pop up, and it just confirms which code you've chose, and there is the code here, but we need to unlock the full code. This is completely normal step. It just means you have to verify that you're a real person, because this protects the codes from robots. So this page will tell you how to pass the step here. We just need to complete 2 of the tasks below, and you can see they're all completely free, guys. So you just need to choose 2 of them, and there is a description below each one on how to complete them. They only take a couple of minutes. So for example, this North Face gift card is a free survey. Just need to answer the questions here and enter in my email address. So I'll do this off camera, guys, just so I don't put in my email and yeah, get a bunch of you emailing me stuff. So yeah, I'm going to do 2 of these off camera, and I'll be back and we'll see if it gives me my Shein code. Boring. Welcome back, guys. So it took me a couple of minutes, but hey, I know it's annoying having to do this, but it's well worth it, because this is the best way, and it's actually the quickest way to unlock the code. So just make sure you fully complete 2 of them, guys, and if you choose the surveys, just input your correct information, because this is verifying you're a real person, because people actually create bots to steal all of the codes, because yeah, you could probably make quite a bit of money with these codes because they save a lot. So once you've done 2 of those, just simply go back to the hotshot codes tab, and you can see it's now given me my unique code. So it looks a bit strange formatted on this page, but you can simply copy it as per normal, and when you enter it into the basket or at checkout on your Shein order, it's going to remove $100, or for me it'd be around 80 Great British pounds. Now you have to add over $100 to the basket for it to work. So if you try and apply this code with $80 in the basket, it simply won't work. So that's just one thing I thought I'd mention. These codes can only be used once, so I'm going to be doing an order in a minute and using my code. So you're going to have to go to Hotshot Codes, guys, get your own and choose which code you want to use. And like I say, the process is the same for all of them. So if you get stuck at any point, just leave a comment below and I'll help you out. Please hit the like button, and I'll probably see you next week when I create a new video. So yeah, thanks. I'll see you next time.